Hey guys, what's up? It's TheAuroraDragonite, and today I have something very awesome. It is some Dragons Exalted packs. I got 4. I'm gonna make these into 2 different videos though. So yeah, we got a Rayquaza and Giratina, another Giratina, and a Gyarados pack, which looks pretty awesome. Alright, so I didn't choose any Terrakion packs because I don't really like Terrakion, but yeah, been really excited about getting these. I went to find them on the release date and nowhere had them. Now it's like 2 days later and or something like that, and yeah, they have some. So let's see what we can get. Alright. Rufflet, Yanma, Nosepass, Trubbish, Magmar, Swak, Blend Energy, Whelmer, Wailord, Rare Reverse, and a Houndoom Rare. Nice. 2 rares in pack, not too bad. Let's see if we can change this pull ratio. For my Dark Explorers, I think it's nothing good. Probably hear that train in the background, which is quite annoying. Code card. I feel like I pulled more than I should have, but we'll see. Alright. Bring that closer, actually. Feebas, Roselia, Houndour, Spheal, Gothita, Skuntank, Ladino, Floatzel, Garbodor, and a Probopass rare. So, is that 2 rares? Yeah, 2 rares in a pack. Yeah, not too bad. Let's see. Okay, that's the 2 packs for this video. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And camera fail much. Look forward to more Dragons Exalted. I am highly interested in this set, mostly because of the dragons, like everybody else. But yeah. Catch you guys in the next video.